Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a topic that a lot of content creators struggle with, and that's getting more views and engagement on their videos. So as a content creator on YouTube, you put a lot of time, effort, and creativity into your videos, and it's only natural that you want them to be seen by as many people as possible. But with millions of videos being uploaded every day, it can be tough to get noticed. That's where the YouTube algorithm comes in. The YouTube algorithm is essentially what determines which videos get recommended to users, and it's constantly evolving. But there are some things you can do to increase the chances of your videos being seen by more people. The first thing you need to do is make sure your video titles and descriptions are optimized for search. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions, and make sure they accurately describe what your video is about. Another thing you can do is engage with your audience. The more people interact with your videos, the more likely they are to show up in their recommended videos section. So, ask your audience to like, comment, and share your videos. Another way to increase your visibility on YouTube is to promote your videos on other social media platforms. You can share links to your videos on Twitter, Facebook, and other platforms where your audience is active. Finally, make sure your videos are high quality and provide value to your audience. People are more likely to watch and engage with videos that are well-produced, entertaining, and informative. Remember, the YouTube algorithm is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks to get more views on your videos. But if you follow these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to growing your channel and getting more engagement on your videos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.